Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to convert polygon to center line. If you want to generate center line in polygon, so it is very important. We already taken polygon line conversion. So if you want to polygon, so first you convert it to line. If you want to convert line, you go to search option, use right here feature to line and enter. After enter, you select here input and output as per your requirement and OK. So your data convert to polygon to line. After conversion polygon to line, you first you see here in any line endpoint, you select here split tool and you trim it. Last line you delete it. After delete you save it. After save you select all line feature and you select here explore multiple. If you don't have this feature, so you right click and select here advanced editing feature and you select here explore multiple feature. We have no multiple feature and OK. And after it you go to R catalog. After R catalog you go to cartography and generalize. After generalize you select collapse dotted line to center line. We double click. We select here input feature and output location. We write here name center line and save. And maximum width, we select maximum width. We go to measurement tool and select here is 8 meter and we select here minimum. Here is minimum 3 meter. So approximate we have maximum 8 meter, 8 point something. So we take here maximum width 10 and after it we OK. You see here our line is generated. So this video is helpful. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching video.